So Apex Legends has actually been released worldwide, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you're going to be able to play Apex Legends for beginners, because a lot of people are new to it. So if you are new to it, I'm just going to share with you how you'll be able to play it, the keys, everything you need to know within the keys, and that is basically very cool. So there's the Google Pixel 6 right here in case you want to know the phone I'm using, and that is pretty much very cool. So when you install it and then you put in everything, first it will ask you to tap either connect with Facebook or Google account, and then I've actually connected it to my Google account because I already have an account with this game right here. And then this is how the interface looks like, and you have some legends right here you can just choose. But first you're going to be given Bloodhound, so that is this guy right here, and then you are supposed to play with him, and then also some other people you can just play whilst you play, and then you keep on unlocking them. So I've been able to unlock up to these people right here. So this is my favorite guy, and then this guy right here, those are my favorite guys, so you can check them out. And then that is pretty much very cool. So when you go to the settings, there's nothing much you need to do over there because everything has been tuned based on how your phone is. So when you go to the graphics right here, so if you're a beginner, I wouldn't say you should actually tamper with these settings right here. So you can see the graphic quality, and then the frame rate, and then adaptive smoothing, and then display FPS, that is frame per second. So you can see right here, in case you want to just tune it up to very high, it will actually prompt you on whatever you are doing right here. So it's going to tell you it's actually going to drain your battery, and then also make the phone very hot whilst you are playing. So the recommended ones are mostly what you are supposed to use, but if you want to just try, you can just try. So mostly you can just tap on this side to play solo, or you tap on this side to play a battle royale, and then you're going to be merged with people, and that is pretty much very cool. So I'm going to go into the game and then show you how you are going to be able to use the keys right there. So you tap on play, and then you're going to pick your legend you want to use. So mostly I use Bloodhound or Mirage, like I said, and then sometimes Gibraltar, but I like the skills of Gibraltar and then Bloodhound, so I think those are the ones you are going to be very easy to use, and that is basically very cool. So the first I'm going to pick on Mirage right here, so that is it. Yeah, so I picked on Mirage, so you can see, and then we are gone. So we are going to go into the match, and I've been paired with other two people, so we are now 3 right here, and this is me, and these are the other 2 people. They are not bots, they are real human beings. So you are playing with people right here, and that is pretty much very cool. So we are going to go, and it launches like how PUBG launches right here. So you can see this guy has 2 kills, and then these are the people we are competing with. Wow, this guy is very good. Level 22. He's actually going to kill us right here. So I'm going to show you how this is. So you can see they said I'm the jumper right here. So on the count of 3, 2, 1, I would actually have to just launch the game. So when I tap on this section right here, if you're a jumper, you tap on this toggle right here, you're going to launch. So we're going to find somewhere. You can use this toggle right here to point at places you feel like you want to go. So you can see when you tap on it, you can go there, and that is basically very cool. So I'm going to look for a place for us to just dive to. Okay, so we are going here. Mostly you need to find a place where you are going to find some ammunitions early, else people will pick up some ammunitions, and then you're going to find yourself wanting, and yeah, that's not going to be very good for you guys. So you get to a place where you are going to get ammunition. So this is what you use to punch in case maybe you don't have a gun. You can still punch someone and the person is gonna die or something, so you kick them out. And then this is what you use in shooting. You can use this to shoot too. You can use this to aim, and then you can just slide with this one right here, or crouch when you're using a gun. So in case maybe you don't have a gun, you can slide. You can see I'm sliding, and then you tap on this section right here to just hide your gun. So when I'm using the gun like this, I tap on it like this, the gun is going to hide, and that is basically very cool. And then also these are the there's a joystick you can move around with this one right here, and then you tap on this emoji right here, and then you can just dance, you see. So that is basically very cool. And yeah, so those are the controls you need to do. So you tap on this section right here to reload your gun. So when I tap on it, I press on my gun, you see it's gonna reload, and that is basically very cool. You can actually see your players with the light blue right here. When you look through, you can see your players. You can see your player right here. So if you see a light blue, that's your player. And this is a special key right here for their skills. So when I tap on it like this, it's actually going to send a mirage, and the opponents are going to see this as me, but that's not me, and then I can just hide around and then shoot. And it reloads every 10 seconds, so you can see the counter right here. So that is for Mirage. And other players also have their different skills right here. So I can press, whilst we are going like this, I can just press on this, and then it's just going to send them out there. You can see a lot of them, and you're going to be doubting which one is me, but I can just see and then shoot right there. So that is also gonna take about some few seconds to just reload, and then you're going to be able to just launch it again. So these are some of the skills about Mirage that is pretty much very cool. You can see the circle right here. You need to be always in it. So right now you can see I'm outside the circle, and in case the circle meets me, that means I'm going to die. So I need to find a way and then get into the circle. So that means I need to go this way, right side. Yeah, so I need to go somewhere here and then climb to the top and then go find my way somewhere. I need to get a very good gun, because sometimes if you don't have a very good gun, you might not get a range to shoot people. So you need to get a very good gun, and you can even jump, crawl around the wall like this. You can see, but there's no space over there, so there's no need for me to. So you can see I knocked him down, and you can just tap on this finisher right here to make a move, and that's it. Make a move, and that's good. So you can move. When you kill the person too, you can just pick up their stuffs by tapping on this one right here, and then you can pick up their guns, and also you can just change the guns, and that's basically very cool. So you can just now move, and then you hide the gun. When you hide the gun, you're going to be able to move very fast. Sometimes when you are running, you need to slide to go quicker, or you can sprint by moving the key to the section right here at the top. You can see sprint over there, and then it's gonna just fix itself there, and then you're gonna be there, and it's actually going to move. So whilst it moves, you can just be sliding whilst it moves. So that is how we play Apex Legends on our smartphone, both Android and iOS. It has the same keys. You can tap on this to jump. Sometimes when you are crouching, you need to just jump. When you are someone is shooting you too, you can just jump and then pick a spot at the opponent, and then you are good. So I'm seeing my people right there, and sometimes when you are being shot at, you can see on the screen that there's a bullet sign on the screen. That means that is showing the direction where the shooting is coming from. So sometimes you need to check those things too, and that is basically very cool. So I think the game is very cool, and I really like it. I really like it. The developers did great, trust me. So you can see this. Let me just put my gun beside me and then punch him. You can see I can still punch him. Okay, let me show. I sent my decoy. Okay, so there's my player. I can use my gun, but I just want to. You see, I knocked him down. Knocked him out with. Yeah, so I just killed him. So that is how we play this Apex Legend, and in case you like it, just give it a thumbs up and also download the game, and it's very cool. You're really gonna like it, and that is basically very cool. So if this video was very helpful, just give it a thumbs up. In case you like more tech videos and also any updates on any tech stuff that is coming up, reviews, I'm just gonna share with you, and how-to videos I'm just gonna share with you. So I'm just gonna catch you in the next video. Peace.